Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Horizon and signing in. Make sure your display resolution is correct, because Horizon uses that to scale wallpapers. Once signed in, navigate to the folder that contains your image, JPG, PNG, or compatible live format, and preview it. Drag or import the file into the workspace. This first actionable step places the asset into the editor so you can position and scale it. Make sure to save a copy before major edits, so you don't lose the original. Once the image is in Horizon, focus on composition. Use the crop and scale tools to match 16:9 or your custom ratio, and position the focal point where icons won't interfere. Next, tweak brightness, contrast, and subtle blur to improve legibility. Enable parallax or depth settings to add motion on supported devices. Make iterative previews on virtual profiles that match your monitors. If an element looks off, step back. Adjust scale by small increments, and preview it. To finish, export an optimized file. Choose the target resolution and a balanced file size so loading stays fast. Once exported, apply the wallpaper through Horizon's Apply function or via your system display settings. Confirm it appears on each monitor. If the wallpaper looks stretched, check that scaling and aspect ratio match the display and verify format support. Some live effects need GPU acceleration. If it still fails, restart Horizon or the display driver and reapply the exported file to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.